a DIY pizza, small snack size. Mini. Everything you'll be needing is a small little pizza base, like a tortilla, something like that. You'll need foil, whatever toppings, but we'll be using capsicum,
tomato sauce,
cheese,
a plate.
It's not ingredient salad,
That's alright though.
mushrooms,
And an oven.
And then we'll need 2 plates, or how many size pizzas you want.
Some knives.
A chopping knife.
But make sure you have a parent with you.
We have a parent with us, like that, and a chopping board. So, and firstly, you gotta get
your pizza bases.
So we'll be making 2 or 3.
Yeah, 3.
Okay. First step, get your 3 pizzas out. So you got 1, 2, 3. Firstly, you gotta open up the tomato sauce, but ours is already open.
Yep.
So then you put how much tomato sauce do you like?
Maisie doesn't really like tomato sauce or
at all. So yeah. You might want to grab a knife. Sorry. So then you just spread it all along the pizza base.
I'm just gonna get some more tomato sauce. Is that one yours?
Yeah, I'll make mine. Okay. So then you do that. Okay. So then once you've tomato sauced the pizza bases, you will go ahead and
it should look something like this.
Or if you like more tomato sauce, more tomato sauce.
Or less. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so we're done. Done that.
So then we have done the tomato sauce. Then you will go chop up
your vegetables
or add the cheese onto it, but for us we're going to be
putting some
vegetables. Remember, supervision with sharp knives. We have a supervision. That looks disgusting.
It does look disgusting. Look at it. Careful.
So cut up your capsicum or whatever you have into small bits. I'm not finished cutting them, Zoe. They're too big. Because it will be, because the pizza bases are smaller, so you'll need
to cut them smaller. So that's a key thing.
Helping device.
Okay, put it on the pizza. Cut some more, please.
Yes. Okay, so why don't you add the cheese pizza, cheese to the just cheese pizza, because we're gonna have some cheese pizza, mushroom and capsicum pizza.
And comment down below what type of pizza is your favorite. If it's
what favorite ingredients?
Yeah, like supreme, meat lovers, cheese pizza,
pepperoni and vegetables. There won't be many vegetables. Well, there probably will be.
Yes.
No.
Okay. Now I need some more on that one.
Is that your one?
No, that's wrong.
So we're having just 1 cheese pizza and
two vegetable ones.
Yeah.
And once you've added the capsicum, it should look like all your first ingredient, something like that. Look like this.
What about the mushrooms?
Then I'm gonna add some cheese.
Make sure you don't have moldy vegetables.
Yeah, that's another
professional tip.
Yeah.
So cut up the capsicum and put it onto your pizza bases or whatever vegetable or anything really. Meat, pepperoni, anything you want.
Yes.
Onto your little pizza.
Now after you add the cheese, it should look like this.
That's your one.
Yes, I know.
So then we add that. And then we're going to cut up some mushrooms. I know. Grab a mushroom.
Cut it up in little pieces.
cut it up into teeny little pieces, or however big you want.
We advise that you do the little pieces though.
Yeah, or otherwise it's going to taste a little weird.
Okay.
So we are right now cutting it up. Then you want to get out some foil.
Foil.
And then grab
Foil
your
here.
oven or a pizza oven, whatever you want to use. We're using an oven because we're stuck in a caravan because it's due around the world, so we have to be in kind of lockdownish. So we're going to be cooking it on this base. So first add foil to it. Add foil to your oven, then add cheese to your pizzas, or your pizzas. So then you're gonna grab whichever pizza you want. We're gonna add the our mums first into the oven.
Make a little bit more cheese.
Turn oven on. Professional tip. Professional tip is to turn the oven on, or elsewise you can't have a pizza because then it won't cook. But you will have a pizza. Okay, so then when it looks ready, like over ours, it looks pretty good in there. It's cooking pretty good right now, so we're gonna let it leave a little
For about
longer.
1 more minute, and then we should take it out and then put the second pizzaroni in.
So everything you'll need to get it out of the oven. You can do whatever we want. We just do it an easier way. We grab a plate.
Yes.
So hot.
I hold on to the tin foil.
Someone holds onto the tin foil.
Yeah.
So then you will grab the pizza out of the oven.
It doesn't take long to cook.
Nope, it doesn't. It took like 3 or 4 minutes. Then you should have a pizza like this, and then you put the next pizza in if you have more than
Second
one.
pizza.
No, put the cheese pizza in.
Yeah.
Yes, cheese pizza.
End result.
Okay, so this is some of our end results. We got that pizza, and we got too hungry, so we ate this pizza.
Sorry guys.
Sorry.
We still have one more
But
pizza.
we still got one more in the oven, cooking up in the oven right now over there. Of course, it will be over there. So, yeah, come back to you guys once we've finished the cheese pizza. And there we go, bon appetit.